សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel Dara. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to help you learn how to use Khmer possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive pronouns in Khmer. Like in English, you have my, your, his, her, ours, etc. So in my experience, many people are confused in using possessive pronouns in Khmer because you use possessive in English like you say my book, my pen. So in Khmer possessive pronouns we say pen my, pen your, book your. So you put nouns and then possessive pronoun. Okay. So I think this is a good video for you to learn how to use possessive. So for example, you say my family. In English, my family, but in Khmer we say family my. So it would be Krusa Khnyom. You put noun first. Okay. So Krusa Khnyom. So this is the informal or speaking with possessive pronoun. So Krusa Khnyom, Big Khnyom, Big Nek. Okay. So it is opposite in Khmer. You put noun and then possessive pronoun. Okay. So I hope this will help you learn how to use possessive pronouns in Khmer. Okay. So again, possessive pronouns in Khmer, you put noun first. What I've been saying is like the informal ways of using possessive. Actually, you put robot in front of the all possessive pronoun. Like I in Khmer will say Khnyom, but it will say my is robot Khnyom. But this is like for formal in written. But in spoken, people drop the robot. They just put noun and then possessive pronoun. So example again, my book we say Siper Khnyom in spoken. In written, we say Siper robot Khnyom. Okay. Your book, Siper Nek. Okay, Siper Nek. But the formal way, Siper Robot Nek. Okay, so Siper Robot Nek. So I hope this short video will help you not to confuse how to use possessive pronouns in Khmer. Again, possessive pronouns in Khmer, you put noun and then possessive. Okay. So instead of my book, you say book my. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. I hope this short grammar video will help you to learn how to use possessive pronouns in Khmer. Okay. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. Good night. Bye bye.